What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. I'm in a new Airbnb. Moved on Friday. Anyways, we're going to go over Gala games, staying at 0.0274, up 1.3 on the day. Market cap 884 million, 24 volume 61 million. So a little bit of a bounce. Now what we need to see if we're going to actually see a bullish breakout, because right now we're just ranging, is to hold this pullback zone in between 0.02727, 0.02674. I dropped in a white line where we've seen some bounces of support. So we need to bounce from that level, come up and break that local high at 0.02821 if we're going to consider a bullish move. Otherwise, we break the 78.6. That's your first bearish signal. Come down, break the low, and then you are going to drop deeper. So right now, this is the daily chart. We already met the target of this wedge. But if we zoom in, we're simply ranging, consolidating. So if this breaks, we have a little bit of a wedge here, or a bear pennant. If that breaks to the downside, then your target is going to bring you down. Shoo, that's going to take you down close to that next level of support. So around 0.0212 and about 0.0221. If we break that to the downside, that's the target to look for Gala gains. But in the short term, on the 1 hour chart, we need to hold this pullback zone and see a nice bounce. Break that local high if you're going to see any kind of bullish move. Otherwise, we're still in a downtrend. We lose these support levels and we break down to those lower prices. We'll have to see how it plays out. All right, gang, my trade signals are free. We did decently last week. Total profit 181, 2 wins, 2 losses. Just hit some take profits on my gold trade. Had a couple trades earlier that got stopped out, but luckily I'm trading 5 to 1, 6 to 1. So we lost 350 pips, 200 pips, but we hit a TP2, which ran us for 800 pips. So if you want completely free access to my trade signals for crypto and Forex, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. This is a no KYC, no VPN crypto exchange in North America, one of the few that's being able to be used in North America. If you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on every single trade on your fees. Once you make your first deposit, can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Just send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as my Forex signals. If you don't want to go the BITUNIX route, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.